Do you know that some people will hurt you so badly and will still be thinking they have not done anything back to you? You know why? Because whatsoever they do, they don't see any faults in them being bad to you the way they are doing. Yes, they are not seeing bad in it because they've chosen their own path to make sure they deal with you so ruthlessly. They will deal with you so mad that even you will be thinking, ṣé mo ti pààyàn ni? Ṣé mo pààyàn jẹ ni? You know why? Such people can never see the good in you. And those are the sets of people that we see as joy killers. Naturally, you have not hurt them.